Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. This confirms it's you and unlocks lock screen permission controls. Once done, scan the list labeled Allow Access when locked. You need to see the section containing media controls and recent items. Make sure to pause here so you can adjust only the items related to voice memos later without changing other privacy settings. Now, work through the Allow Access when locked options to remove media surfaces. Toggle off widgets like Today View, Recent Notifications, and Siri suggestions if they display media previews. This prevents voice memos from appearing. You may also open the Voice Memos app settings inside Settings and disable Show in App Library or Background App Refresh if available. Once these are off, the lock screen stops pulling memos for quick playback. Make sure to finish by locking your device and confirming voice memos no longer surface on the lock screen. This validates your changes. If memos still show, restart the phone to apply setting updates and recheck the Face ID/Touch ID toggles. If problems persist, you can reset all settings as a last resort. This restores defaults but keeps data. Backup first. One key troubleshooting tip: force quit the Voice Memos app and clear notification history. Cached previews often vanish after a restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.